Hello everyone, welcome to IDALS. I am Chandni Srivastava and today I will be teaching an advanced choreography on the song Heat by Chris Brown. The reason why I chose this song is because it gives a very good chance and an ability for you to showcase how swiftly you can dance but with a very relaxed vibe. So I think that will be a good challenge for all the learners out there. And this tutorial has been divided into 3 sections followed by a full-fledged showcase by me. So without much waiting, let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with the choreography and let's begin with section 1. So we are going to start on 1. The arms are going to be in front of your chest and you're just going to make a triangle. So you're going to shift it to your left, up and right. So basically making a triangle. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and up. With the legs, you're going to go right leg step, up, straighten and left leg out. So whichever side you're moving your arms, the same side, the opposite side, you're going to stick out your knee. So it looks something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and up. Cool? From there, click, click, click. You're going to hop with your feet together. And the arms are going to go over your head, like you're making your hair. So up, and as you come up, you're going to flick your heel right, left. So from here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So on the 4, you are bringing right, left and hitting upwards with your right shoulder hit. So it's almost like you're pressing some button with your shoulder. So you hit and with the whole momentum, your right leg gets lifted up. Hit. Cool? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From there, you're going to put your weight on your right leg, step forward in a diagonal way. So the groove goes step, 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 step. So you are placing your feet, twisting, placing, twist, twist, twist. And you're going to let it lead with your pelvis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? And make sure you're not going out, in, out, in. You just have to glide. It's like you're skating on the floor. Yeah? So from the hit, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the arms, you're just going to show your index finger and you're going to touch 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and finishing this part with a hop and slide. So you went 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hop towards the left with your left leg and let the right leg drag in. So hop and drag and the arms just throw it upwards as it helps in your momentum. Yeah? Now from the top we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, heel, heel, shoulder, left, right and hop, drag. That's good. Now make sure that you are very, very precise in this movement because it's going to be slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, drag. Yeah? One more time and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. That's the right count. So you're going to just, as I say 5 and 6 and, you should know that it's going to be slightly faster than the usual single count. So 5 and 6 and click. Cool? Now on the lyrics, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. You like it what you see. Click, click, hit. So this shoulder movement is coming on a snare. So you go 1, click, click, hit and from there everything designer just for. So it's almost like you're pointing everything designer, but instead of pointing forward, you go.